Okay, welcome to all of you. I know there is a little bit of restlessness also, it's the delay. Dr. Akurji, thank you very much for the introduction because you almost said what I have to say. And I would just try and make it very short because we're running out of time. To just say that these were, I move like from backward to forward in the sense that I do not have much of the Vedic knowledge of the Vedic, the knowledge of all that was there. But it was my experiences with birds in sense that they were kind of giving me some signals pre and post my parents passing away. That kind of, I was trying to understand what was happening, trying to understand what is it, and then I could feel that there is this connection that we have, what the Vedas talk of the Lokas. There is this connection to the Pitra that happens, but that connection we need to keep it alive, and there are many ways to keep that connection alive, and that is what is the main thing that I realize, and you are helping them in their journey up there, and they're helping you in your journey on this earth. So that's the lesson I learned. So I had my experiences, then to know more, I did my MSc in Vedic Sciences, which is an online course. And then after that, in that course, I was introduced to the Garuda Purana, which talks about the soul's journey after somebody passes away. So it is, they say like we say, you don't really pass away, it's just the body. So it is that I read the whole, I asked my Acharya Ji to give me the English translation of the Garuda Purana, which was 1,000 pages. I read that. So this book is a combination of my own experiences, of my whatever I learned abroad from Vedic, the whole Vedic landscape. And there's so many things we don't know there. The in-depth knowledge of the Purusharthas, Artha, Karma, Dharma, Moksha. There's so many Vedangas, the 6 Vedangas. There's so many things that we don't know. We just have learned. We know about yoga, but there's Samkhya Yoga, Nyaya, Vaishishta, Mimamsa. So there's really so much out there that we don't know. And like we say, we should have it in our education system. When you have it in your education system right from the beginning, you at least are open to thinking in that way. Unfortunately, we're not open to thinking that way. We're totally into this whole social media. So that is the thing. And I also, Dr. Manjunath ji, when he said that nature is more advanced in technology, which is very true because nature teaches you more than technology. So yes, I would like you to read it, to give me your review, and to really. So I just say 2 lines of a review that I got, that I like this book because it allows reflection more than being overwhelming. And I think that is important to me. That was what, just a reflection. I didn't want to give a lot of the Vedic knowledge, everything. In fact, when Captain Sahana called me and said it's just a small book, I was like, okay, we were trying to, see whether we should add something more. But then he said, no, it's okay. So some friends said it's a T20 in the book. So people have said they finished it in 1 hour, people have read it on the flight. So it's a small book, it's just a book to give you, my experiences. And I would really thank Captain Sana Sundar for making this dream of mine come alive. Thank you very much, and thank you for the great support that she gave me. Thank you very much.